Hi lovelies, how are you all doing? Let me show you how I make this moi moi. So simple, so easy to achieve. You can see how yummy, delicious it's looking. So stay tuned, let me show you. So my lovelies, to achieve this delicious moi moi, just go ahead and boil any proteins, whichever one you are using. And for the beans, I use red beans. You can also use honey beans or any beans of your choice. But for this recipe, guys, I use two beans. I mix honey beans with red beans because I can't get honey beans again. As for me, I don't joke with honey beans, and I've been eating it for a very long time, from Nigeria till now. These days, I don't know why honey beans is just scarce to buy. So I decided to buy the red beans, which I am using right now. I just mix it with my remaining honey beans. Proceed by peeling out the beans, whichever one that you find it easy. Some people blend and filter out the chaff, but for me, I prefer to wash like this. The easiest way, I think, for my own view, is to use a warm water. Once you use warm water and wash your beans, just go straight and start washing. Don't soak it. Everything will start peeling out. And since I find out this method, it has been working for me. I don't find it difficult to wash moi moi beans again. So right now, guys, I'm done cleaning up the beans and it's well cleaned. I will proceed by transferring it into my Odogu blender, which I called Akpaza, my ninja blender. So go ahead and add all your peppers inside, as you can see, your onions and pepper. Okay guys, I will list all the ingredients at the description box. Go ahead and pour in your crayfish. At this stage, I will go ahead and pour the stock water from the fish, the mackerel boiled fish. I skipped when I was boiling it because I don't want the video to be too long. So after I added the stock water, I proceed by adding all my seasonings. I added my Maggi seasoning, as you can see. Next one is to add my salt to taste, chili powder. Just feel free to add whatever you are using to cook your moi moi. Okay, and this is the vegetable oil I use. You can use any vegetable oil of your choice. It doesn't matter. So go ahead and add water and blend everything together. Keep watching. But before I forget, if today is your first time seeing my video, hello, thank you so much for clicking on this video. So can we be friends by smashing that sign that says subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you will be the first to get notified. And to my OG returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. Okay guys, so continue watching. So guys, at this stage I will be going in with more water and some seasonings with chili powder. Just feel free to add in anything you still need to add. Okay guys, and also for the ingredients that I use, if you want to know, feel free to check the description box. I will list it out there. Okay, so keep watching. So right now I've gotten the consistency I need. So the next thing is to go ahead and scoop it into the container. But before I scoop it in, I make sure I brush the containers with some vegetable oil. Okay, you can also use nylon if you don't have this container. Okay guys, as you can see, my proteins are ready, everything is ready. So just go ahead and start scooping them into your containers, just as you are seeing right now on your screen. Yeah. As this is going on, I have hot water on the fire boiling inside pots. So please don't forget to boil hot water before you start cooking your moi moi, just as you are seeing right on your screen. Okay guys, so continue watching. For the hot water, it has been boiling since, so I decided to add some cold water, a little cold water on it, then place a little foil paper on top of the hot water. Go ahead and start putting all the moi mois inside, just as you are seeing right now. Yeah. At this stage, cover again with a foil paper and allow to cook for 25 minutes to 30 minutes until your moi moi is done. So right now the moi moi is done, well cooked. So we are going to be checking it out. So nice, looking so yummy, and the taste is also sugary lekker. You can also enjoy this moi moi with some pap, gari, or bread, anything you want to enjoy it with. As for me, I was just eating it like that, just as you are seeing on the video. I finished the first set, I carried another one because I like eating it when it's hot from fires, and immediately I just remove it out from the fire. You can see how nicely prepared it's looking. So thank you so much for watching. If you watch this video to this extent, thank you so much. I believe I have come to the end of this video. See you in my next upcoming video. Bye bye.